Hey guys, Sharlrita Deloatch here. I am your favorite book publishing expert. In today's video, I want to chat about a new AI tool that I have been using for quite some time, and I want to show you how you can use it too to create content for your social media. But I can go into a whole lot of things about this platform, but I particularly want to help you to create a quick blog post while using this AI tool. You don't know what AI means. It is artificial intelligence. So AI is taking over and it's a great thing. So basically AI is used where you can just type in a couple of words and it creates the content for you. Listen, if you have not started using some AI tools, especially for you in your business, you should be doing this now because first of all, it helps you to be efficient. It helps you to create your blog post, your social media post quickly. And if you're like me, sometimes you just don't know what to say. All right. And you need a little assistance that's going to help you to say what you need to say. So I am going to do a quick tutorial around Jasper, which is my favorite AI tool. There are a lot of them out there, but this by far is my favorite. Okay. So just to give you a little background, I told you what AI is and how you can use it. Now I'm going to show you a tutorial on how you can create a blog post really fast. Okay, so you need to sign up for Jasper, Jasper. Well, let me make a incognito screen. So you're going to go to app.jasper. No, I'm sorry. You're going to go to jasper.ai. Okay. That's for you if you want to check out the front page. So this is the front page. This is what it looks like for you to sign up. Okay. So there's a quick video for you to go over there. I'm going to go down. I believe you can go down here to see what the pricing is, what you can, and I'll tell you about the pricing that I pay. One second. Let's see if we can scroll down here. Let's see if we can find the pricing here. That's it. There we go. All right. So here's the pricing. You can do this is you have annually and you have your monthly. Okay, so if you want to do monthly, we have $49 a month. That's for the starter. I started out at the starter, but when I started with Jasper, I think I paid a little bit less than that. No, yeah, I did. So I paid this $29 a month, and then I wanted to go up. So I went up to the boss mode, which gives me the 50,000 words a month, which I don't use those 50,000 words a month, but I get those. So this is what comes with you get AI templates, you get support. Their support is amazing. You get up to 5 users, chat support as well. Now, if you go to the boss mode, that's what I have the boss mode. Okay. So I'm able to do the Google Doc styler editor. I'll compose and command features. I can really grow. I can grow my team here. I get, chat support, increase limits on templates. So I absolutely love the boss mode. And what really made me sign up for the boss mode, and here for the annual prices as well. So what really made me sign up for the boss mode is because as a publisher, as a writer that writes books, publishes books for others and myself, you can also write your books using AI. Absolutely. Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna do another video on that. I'm testing it out myself and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. But let's talk about this blog post. So let's go over here to the templates. And there's a lot of content that you can create, different type. You got blog posts. You can your bio, email subject line, cold emails. I mean, it is amazing. Okay. But let's go to the blog post. Now, I use the one shot blog post because I just want a quick blog post. I usually post my blog post on Medium, so medium.com, or I also post them on LinkedIn. You can create articles on LinkedIn. So this is what I use. It takes me every little bit of 2 minutes because I know the topic that I want to talk about. Okay. So that's first thing. You have to have the blog topic that you want to talk about. So let's say we want to talk about book writing for beginners. Okay. So if we want to talk about that, I always use the professional tone. Okay. So you have to figure out, what tone you want. You want friendly, witty, disappointed, polite, creative, professional. Let me try something different because I always use the professional. So let's do creative. All right, so you have your intended audience. So I'm going to say aspiring authors. Okay, so this. This is the basics. This is going to help you to create your blog post. Now, the input and the output, basically that stays the same because I'm English. That's what I write in. I write in English. Okay. Now, once you go down, let me move this out the way. Now, down here at the bottom, you basically let Jasper know how many options would you like. I always normally do three, but you can do as many as you want, and you can do up to 10. Okay, I do three at a time. I don't want to have too much to choose from, so I'll do three at a time. So once you have your number, I put three there, and then I hit generate. All right, and it takes just a few moments with blog posts. It takes just a few moments to get that done. So while we're waiting, we just you gotta have that music. You gotta have that music. All right. There we go. Here we go. Okay, so we get three options. Let's read the first one. So it comes up with the blog title. So writing your first book, where to start. So you want to write a book. Congratulations. Writing a book is a huge accomplishment that would take effort and dedication. But where do you start? If you've never written a book before, it can be daunting to try to figure out how to get all of your ideas down on paper or into a computer. But don't worry, we are here to help. Here are some tips on how to start writing your first book. So that's the introduction. Here's the body. So this is the body. And I always go through them because I'm going to change them up anyway. Because some people, you can copy and paste if that's what you want to use, but I make sure that I use words that I use. Like I don't use the word daunting. Okay. So I'm going to change that to something that I normally use that my audience is used to. Okay. So here's another one. So you want to write a book. You always wanted to be an author. That's the blog. That's the introduction. This is the body. And then it goes into, create an outline, write every day, and then gives you a conclusion. Okay, so this is a good friendly blog post. Again, I use the one shot blog post for my articles, especially on LinkedIn. I already know the topic that I'm going to talk about. All I have to do is just put it in there and make it and get it simple. Okay, so Jasper has a lot of other things that you can do. My advice is to go ahead and sign up. I do have a special link in my description. You use that and you can get access to Jasper right away. Start off with the $29 one and see how you like it. And then you be like me, you want to start writing your books. You're going to have to upgrade. Okay. You're going to have to upgrade. But there's a lot of other things here that I haven't shown you just yet. But you definitely want to get started with Jasper today. I love it. And I look forward to continuing on this journey using Jasper because your girl, I'm not a copywriter. I'm a writer, but sometimes I don't feel like writing. So I would use Jasper to help me out. Okay. Again, If you don't mind, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to see more videos like this, go into more depth about Jasper, put your comments below, put your questions below, and that will help me to create more content for this particular platform. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.